you do is write the car that it goes to. On the top. Whatever. Alright, now I got the Jeep up on the ramps, got the wheels chalked. Point out what we're doing. So, oil dipstick tube, oil filter. Yeah, from the top is your oil filter right here. You'll notice directly underneath it is exhaust, so that's always fun. So let's break it loose. Let's get the socket on there. That's done. Let's pop the old boy back in. Grab your ratchet. And a good tug. Make sure you don't drop it in the oil. Now, one thing you'll want to remember, especially if you've got an elevated vehicle and live in a windy situation, don't be an idiot. Put something down in your driveway. I'm going to be cleaning this. That's no fun. Slide this up under the oil filter. See what we got. Needs to go a little bit further back. There we go. Basically, I know it's right under the exhaust. Right over the exhaust. Right at that L bend. So that should be good. You can see that. Hooray for the brilliance of down-facing oil filters. Okay. take new filter. Grab a little bit of oil out of the old one. On there, you notice you got some crud on there. Just a little bit. And then go put it back in. Alright. Fairly simple. Reach on down. Don't drop it into the oil catch pan down there. Rotate it on. There you go. Alright, you see here where the oil from the filter dripped on the exhaust. And yeah, you can put like aluminum foil over it to protect it. But I don't know if you noticed, a good bit of dirt on here. These things are pretty jacked. So just wipe it off as best I can. It'll burn off pretty quick. Keep an eye on it. I run it in the driveway next to a fire extinguisher. About the first 5 minutes anyway. So, alright, let's go fill it up. Thanks to Chris Fix for the sideways port tip. That was pretty fantastic. 5 quarts. Now, check the dipstick for the morning. Ratcheting clip. Alright, so as we go to start this up, I'm going to watch the oil pressure gauge over here. It's going to lag a bit. There we go. Looking good. Yep, no leaks. Filter's looking good. Awesome. Let's go clean up my driveway. Never done this. You need to realize this thing holds a whole lot of oil. One way, get it out. Break the suction. Drain a little bit better. Look, it's draining in here. Now I'll dump it over there. That way you get most of the oil out of here. So there's a lot more coming out now.